Hello, I am Aditi Dubey, and this is our final chapter. For now, throughout this journey, we have explored cancer not just as a disease of the body, but as a reflection of our systems, our societies, our values. And now, we ask the question: what does the future of cancer control in Europe look like? The answer is both remarkably personal and profoundly collective. Let's begin with personalized prevention. The idea that risk isn't one size fits all. As genetic testing becomes more affordable and AI helps interpret reams of lifestyle and biomarker data, we are entering an era where individuals can know their unique risk profiles for breast cancer, colon cancer, even rare tumors. Imagine a future where a smartphone gently reminds you of a screen, not because of your age or gender alone, but because your molecular signature, family history, and daily habits suggest it's time. In this vision, prevention is no longer generic advice. It's tailored nudges, rooted in science, delivered with empathy. But while personalization is the heartbeat of the future, cooperation is its backbone. Europe, in many ways, is uniquely positioned: 27 countries, one market, a shared commitment to health. The Europe's Beating Cancer Plan, launched by the European Union, signals a bold step, aiming to reduce inequality in access, raise survival rates, and foster innovation from Portugal to Poland, from Ireland to Italy. And its core lies cross border cooperation. Shared cancer registries, where patient data moves securely and ethically across borders, giving researchers richer insights. Pan European clinical trials, speeding up access to cutting edge therapies for patients in smaller countries. Joint negotiations with pharmaceutical companies, making drugs more affordable for everyone. But policy alone is not enough. We need a cultural shift, one that sees cancer not as a silent shame, but as a shared challenge, one that listens to patients, empowers nurses, supports caregivers, funds basic research and mental health just as much as surgical robots and proton beams. We need digitization with compassion, equity with urgency. We need to recognize that rural Romania deserves the same standard of care as urban Munich, that an asylum seeker in Marseille deserves the same dignity as a citizen in Vienna. We need to build a future where prevention begins in schools, early detection is mobile, treatment is timely, and supervisorship is supported in every language for every citizen. And perhaps, most importantly, we need imagination because controlling cancer isn't just a medical mission, it's a vision of the kind of Europe we want to live in. A Europe where health systems talk to each other, where innovation doesn't stop at national borders, where no one is left behind because of their passport, postcode, or paycheck. The road ahead won't be easy, but if we can channel the same creativity that's mapped the human genome, the same spirit that rebuilt health systems after war, the same unity that built the EU itself, then cancer too can become not just a crisis, but a turning point, a test of science, a test of solidarity, and a test we are ready to pass. Thank you for walking this journey with me. This was episode 17. I am Aditi Dubey.